Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to app lock in Realme C31. For app lock, we'll go into our phone settings. Now click on privacy. Each phone's app lock has its privacy settings. Guys, here you will see there is no option for app lock. If we go to another place in the settings, there is no option for app lock. App lock feature is not provided in Realme C31. Let's start how we lock apps in Realme C31, despite not having apps lock feature. For doing this, we go to our Play Store and search by AppLock Fingerprint and install this app. After installing, open it. Now set your password to your choice. Again enter the same password for confirmation. Now if we want, we can set finger lock clicking yes option. I will cancel it clicking on no option, as password is enough, no need for finger lock. Now in this interface click on plus icon. Now we select the app that want to lock. After selecting, click on plus icon. Now click OK to allow permission. After that click on App Lock. And turn on Permit Usage Access. Now click on OK to allow permission. Now again click on App Lock. And turn on Allow Display over other apps. And click on OK to allow permission. Click on Allow. Guys, you can see, apps are locked. Now I check the app, and show you whether the apps are actually locked or not. So I go back. Now I will open my Chrome browser, since I locked it. Friends, you can see the app is locked. To enter the apps we must enter the password. Again if we want to unlock the app, we'll enter the app lock. Press and hold on the app that will be unlocked. After that press on OK. The app will be unlocked. Guys, hope you have understood how to turn on app lock in Realme C31. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.